Oh, really?
Oh, gracious me. Now they just flew into the house. Oh, they just flew in. They decide now they're hungry. You guys really have to come into the house to eat? Are you serious?
Come on, guys! Come on! Come on!
Actually came inside to eat, man. Okay, thank you.
Shemp!
Okay.
I know you only got one. Come on! Shemp! Come on, Shemp! Come on, Shemp!
They just came into the house for
Come
a
here.
snack and
Come on, Shemp! No? All right.
letting their freedom.
I already know.
What happened? Oh, he pooped on you. Oh well. That's what happens to dads and moms.
That's normal. I'm not.